Today we're going to make tonjiru along with cold tofu and broccoli salad. Today we're making tonjiru, a hearty and comforting miso soup with pork and root vegetables, perfect for chilly days. Start by peeling the daikon radish and cutting it into thin half-moon slices. Next, peel the carrot and cut it into pieces similar in size to the daikon so they cook evenly. Slice the onion as well. Wash the burdock root well and use the back of a knife to gently scrape off the outer skin. Then, shape the burdock into thin, curly slices by broadening it as you cut. Soak the slices in water to remove any bitterness. Now for the konnyaku. Cut it in half and slice it thinly. Sprinkle it with salt and rub it gently. This step helps remove its unique odor. Rinse it well under running water and it's ready. Cut the pork into bite-sized pieces. Heat a pot and add a bit of oil. Stir fry the pork until it changes color. Add all the vegetable and the konjac. Keep stirring until Everything is coated in the oil and begin to soften. Pour in water and add some dashi powder. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, skimming off any foam that rises to the surface. Once the ingredients are tender, dissolve in the miso paste gently. Be careful not to let it boil after adding the miso. This helps preserve its delicate flavor. Chop some green onions. Serve the soup to the bowl. Sprinkle the green onion on the top, and it's ready. This is a simple yet addictive cold tofu dish topped with a savory green onion sauce. First, let's make the dressing. Finely chop some green onion. And grate a small amount of garlic. Add the garlic to the chopped green onion. Then season with salt, a bit of chicken bouillon powder, sesame oil, and lemon juice. Give it a good mix to combine all the flavors. Now cut the tofu. For cold tofu dishes like this, soft or silken tofu is usually best. Place the tofu on a plate and spoon the green onion sauce over the top. That's it! So easy, healthy, and incredibly satisfying. Enjoy this refreshing side dish. Here's a simple and delicious Japanese-style salad made with broccoli, and eggs. First, cut the broccoli into bite-sized florets. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add a bit of salt to help the broccoli keeps its green color. Boil the broccoli for about 2 minutes, then immediately transfer it to cold water to stop the cooking and firm it up. Drain well, and the broccoli is ready. Next, let's make the boiled eggs. Place the eggs in a pot of water, bring it to a boil, and cook until hard-boiled. Once done, peel the eggs and chop them roughly. Now, let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, combine mayonnaise, ponzu sauce, bonito flakes. Mix well. In a large bowl, add the broccoli and chopped eggs. Pour the dressing over and toss everything together gently. And that's it! A refreshing, savory, and satisfying Japanese-style salad. It's ready!